Johto Johnny's the name. Pokemon is the game. Hey, Johto Elite. Hope you're all doing great. Today we got another Hidden Fates opening for you. The Wal Mart GX boxes. I keep buying them. Getting decent pulls as of late, but they are pretty tough. So we're going to get into that very shortly. Again, I'm going to share the giveaway for everybody. Funko Pop Squirtle, Funko Pop Charmander, Eevee, Bulbasaur, and Pikachu. So all those need to be a hashtag, and you need to be subscribed to be able to win. You can only win one. You can't win all five. I want to do 5 winners. So make sure you're subscribed and an active member of the community. You comment on one time and watch one video, you might want to do a little bit more than that. I'm just saying. But you do a little more, watch a few videos, hopefully you watch them all. If not, I understand. Everybody's busy at times. But please. This is an interesting combination here of packs. Gyarados. The Jumbo Gyarados card. I personally like longer videos, but I don't know if I showed that already. I'm sorry. The birds. Birds pack is first. It's the code. Energy. Chansey. Brock's Grit. Scytha. Geodude. Clefairy with all the Clefairies doing a dance party. Eevee. Ekans with that beautiful Articuno in the background. Sure, most people have seen that already, but Paris. And do we get a monster hit? Energy. Gyarados GX. All right, that's a nice start. It's a sign we got the fire. So nothing but Zards now. 3-pack. Could you imagine? Oh my goodness. Three straight packs with nothing but shiny Zards. Yeah, I'm in fantasy land. There's the code. Shiny Mewtwo, please. My buddy JD Stay CCM 90. He's probably got like 600 of them by now. Pokemon Center with Chansey hanging out. Pikachu with the bubbles. Magikarp and then disgusting green river there. Coughing. Clefairy. Staryu. Erica's Hospitality, and Giovanni's Exile. Don't get me wrong, I'm excited, but I've said before, I've pulled that many times. Another Mew pack. Energy. Brock's Grit. Koga's Trap. Misty's Sterling City Gym. Voltorb. Coughing. Cubone. Geodude. Jigglypuff. Ooh, very nice pull, everybody. Shiny Eevee. And did we get a double banger? Nope. Electrode. That is a great pull. Yes. Now we could get a shiny GX at the end here. Last pack. Let's get some Hidden Fates love. Mewtwo pack. code. Energy. Sabrina's Suggestion. Charmeleon. Misty's Determination. Coughing. Voltorb. Cubone. Geodude. Eevee. Jesse and James. And Electrode. Just because of that Eevee, we're going to count this as a win. Giovanni's Exile. Energy. Gyarados. And then Shiny Eevee. Johto Giants, the name, Pokemon's the game. Please consider leaving a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And, of course, hit that notification bell. And make sure you join in on that giveaway. Thank you, everyone. And we'll see you very soon. Have a great day.